Hello there, thank you for stopping by my channel. My name is Ola and I make sewing videos on this channel. I put up one every week, so be sure to subscribe. Also put up your notification bell if you've not done so. So today we're going to be making this gorgeous tulle skirt. And you need some basic tools. You'll need your tulle, you need your measuring tape, pins, a lining, and also your sewing machine. You also need some basic body measurement, your waist, your hip, then your waist to knee as shown here. Using this easy calculation, divide your hip measurement by 6.28 and note that number that will be cut out on the waist. For the skirt length, add the number you got to your waist to knee measurement. I have about 5 yards of tulle fabric, a yard of lining, a zipper, pins to hold the fabric down. Measure double of your skirt length at the width of the fabric. I added a few inches just because my tulle fabric wasn't equal, but I'll be cutting it out later. Hold your fabric at the edge of the fold and fold it over to the other edge. I cut out 5 pieces of folded skirt length on the 5 yards of tulle I bought, so I stacked them on each other because I want a full skirt, a full tulle skirt. The fuller the better. I pinned them together so that all the pieces are equal when I cut them out. Place your tape on the folded triangle and start marking the waist measurement you got earlier on. Keep pivoting your tape until you mark it round like this. Also mark the skirt length measurement you got from the folded triangle as well and cut both of them out. Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far is the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars here in the shadow. After cutting both the waistline and the length, separate one of the stacked two, cut through on a single fold, just like this. And this will be the opening for the zipper. And I'm doing the same for the rest of the tulle fabric. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears. Now put all the tulle fabrics on each other and sew the two sides, also the waistline, just so they are in one piece. Now I'll make gather stitch on my skirt waist so as to give it more volume. To make gather stitch, set your sewing machine to the biggest straight stitch. The biggest straight stitch on my sewing machine is 5. I will make 2 gather stitch side by side so that it's easier for me to pull the gathers. It's also good to make 2 gather stitch because when one thread breaks, you can continue with the second one. Also, do not backstitch when making a gathered stitch. After making your gathered stitch, now separate the upper thread from your lower thread like so and pull the fabric towards you. Keep pulling the fabric until you have your desired waist measurement circumference. You can see that the gathers is taking shape. Just admit that you're just afraid. Let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. After gathering to waist circumference, set your tulle fabric aside. Now for my lining, I cut double of my hip circumference. Now for the length, I cut 20.5 inches. The half inch will be used to hem the skirt. Now gather your lining fabric to your waist circumference just like you have done for the tulle fabric. Sew the wrong side of the lining fabric to the tulle fabric at 1 centimeter. Sew it at the waistline and on the 2 sides like this. We should be equal, show living free. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. Let's live a better day.
Now it's time to fix the band. So I measured 5 inches for the wideness of the band and 1 inch will be for the sewing allowance. Also, I measured 29 inches long, which is my waist circumference, plus 1 inch zipper allowance, which makes it 30. I folded my band in half and ironed it, which will make it easier for me to fix the zip. Now attach the right side of the fabric, which is the band, to the right side of the toe on the waistline. Sew it at 1/2 inch allowance.
Take my hand together, we'll make a stand.
Now it's time to fix the zipper to the skirt. I changed the foot of the machine to a zipper foot. Zipper foot are very good and they are easy to fix zips compared to normal foot.
Just admit that you're just a friend.
Open up the zip like this and place the beginning of the zipper teeth on the part of the band that has the crease. Mark the right side of the zip to the right side of the fabric and sew it at 1/2 inch zip allowance. Make sure that the band seam and the skirt seam are pulled upwards like this. Do the same thing for the other seam opening as well.
Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream.
Now to tuck in the zipper to the band, fold the band on the crease with the right side of the band facing each other. Also fold the 1/2 inch allowance like so. Some explanations are better done visually. Fold it right on top of the stitch like so and stitch it down on the zip allowance. Go ahead and do the other side like that as well. Turn it right side out after stitching it.
Just admit that you're just afraid. Let go of all your.
Now turn the skirt to the wrong side and go ahead and stick the band on the wrong side. Stitch it right where the inner band seam joins to the lining fabric, like so. You can pin it down if it will be easier for you to sew like that.
Live a better day. Then we can live a better day. Then we can live a better day. Better day. Then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war.
Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Also put up your notification bell to get any new video if I put up one. Alright, see you soon.